See in this 26,300 put, we can see here a candle was closed above. Here you can see this blue line was the moving average, AL moving average. This one. So today in the morning itself at 9:40, a bearish candle has closed below this, but the next candle formed a bullish candle. So this was the strategy. If a candle, any bullish candle closes above this, then after the second candle breaks its high, then we can go for a trade by keeping the stop loss at this candle low. From here we have almost like 40 to 45 points. In Nifty, you can see here, there is a divergence. So this was the divergence view. The market has fallen here, but the RSI is consolidating in a zone, that too sideways. So that's the reason there is a hidden divergence. Because of that, the market has fell like almost from day highs. We can see here from day highs. From 272, it has fell like near 100 points. More than 100 points. But here you can see it's a double bottom. We can only say that study the chart patterns, whatever it is, study the chart patterns. This is in 15 minutes time frame, and this is 3 hours time frame. Try to understand the charts. मार्केट अगर यहाँ से रिकवर होगा तो if market gets recovered from here, because this is the zone previously, this was the zone previously, यहाँ से market recover होगा, यही से ही होना है. Why I am calling it as a zone? Because see, market was consolidated here, right? Before making its all-time high, market was consolidated, then give a big rally till here, almost from 100 levels to 26,100 levels to 26,350 levels, almost 200, more than 250 points. So we may see some rally here. We can see the price is when the price was at these levels, RSA was trading near above 50 zone. But here when the price came like for retracement, the RSA got cooled down and it's trading below 50, near 36. So maybe retracement will come here till these levels. I am expecting that 2680 or 2650 levels we may see before reaching all 26,250 today. Yes, market will close above 26,250 today, but almost, what was the time? Yeah, 11:42, right? So thoda retracement आएगा. After some retracement at downside, we may see some upper move. दो ही सिचुएशन है. अगर मार्केट को ऊपर जाना है तो नीचे जाके ऊपर जाता है, अगर नीचे जाना है तो ऊपर जाके नीचे जाता है. सो वेट फॉर द कंफर्मेशन. अगर ऊपर यहाँ से अगर टच होके आया तो ये जोन रेजिस्टेंस जोन बन गया है, because previously this was the zone that has supported for reaching all time high. So now it has become resistance. That's the reason the market has rejected and formed a rejection pin bar rejection. See here, it came from this demand zone itself. The market went up since 9:15. The market went up, but at this level, because previously it was support. It was support. Here you can see it was support. So now it has become resistance. Even yesterday also the candle has broken with a big bearish candle. So that's the reason it got rejected from here, and today also it got rejected from the same place. So let's see if only trade above these levels, above 287 levels, or else avoid trading today. FOMO, there is no need to FOMO. We can see tomorrow also. We have Sensex expiry also. We can see मार्केट किधर भी नहीं जाएगा भाई. सब्र रखना है, पैसा होना है तो सब्र रखना है. See, this was the pattern I was expected here. So market यहाँ से आया and came here at in a zigzag. It reached it till here. Then after that it fell down. आपको थ्रेशोल्ड कहाँ है, इसका लिमिट कहाँ है? प्राइस ऊपर तो जाएगा मगर लिमिट कहाँ है, लिमिट है उसका पता करना है. वही तो इम्पोर्टेंट. इसी मार्केट्स आर लिटिल बिट रिकवरिंग, बट ये दिस द कैंडल शुड क्लोज हियर. अगर यही डिमांड जोन बन गया है तो पुट द स्टॉप लॉस हियर बिलो दिस लेवल्स, बिलो दिस स्विंग लो. यहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस लगाइए. कीप स्टॉप लॉस बिलो 130 लेवल्स एंड 26,200 looking good. And also compared to its intrinsic value बहुत सस्ता है. 26,200 बहुत सस्ता है. We may see 40 to 50 levels above 70 levels today in Nifty 26,200 call. बहुत सस्ता है भाई call. It's like very cheap. I don't know what's the reason, but intrinsic compared to its intrinsic value, it is very less. 21. टाइम भी बहुत है. एक्चुअली व्हेन द मार्केट कंपेयर टू अगर 26,200 में है market, okay, so if the Nifty is trading here 26,200 and the strike price 26,200 call also trading with cheap valuations, like intrinsic value इसका IV इसका बहुत कम है, तो then we can see actually it has to be little bit of 30 to 40 points अगर 1130 के आसपास रहे तो. यहीं से एक bullish candle, see it formed a bullish candle but the high didn't broken yet. Let's wait for the candle to close. यही zone से ही return आ जाएगा ऊपर. Let the candle close, then after that we can have a view. The next candle, that's the reason I am saying the next, wait for the next candle to close. That's only the reason, because bullish बन गया डिमांड जोन से चलो कॉल ले लेंगे, ऐसा नहीं. एक ये रहता है, यहाँ से देखो ये डिमांड जोन है इसका, because previously just a minute. 26,100 call. $96 पे चल रहा है एग्जैक्टली कंपेयर टू स्ट्राइक प्राइस एंड एवरीथिंग. सही वैल्यू पे है ये, सही प्रीमियम भी सही है. यहाँ से कोई भी इफ एनीवन हैज पुट सम स्टॉप लॉस बिलो दिस, that's the reason it got triggered. And also we may see some downside movement because here it's the demand zone, and also here it's the demand zone. From here itself the market got rallied. Let's see. $82, 82.8. यहाँ से from here it went for the retracement, then from here it got it getting reverse. Let's see if this low has broken, this zone has broken, then we may see some more fall. Consider fall only when this zone is broken with big bearish candle. Till then, the targets, the position, everything is same. I kept an alert near 63, so we'll see. $82.8 was our buy, but it made 87. It made a low of 87. Why do you know? 5 minutes. One is to 2.96, 1 is to 3 trade high buy, 1 is to 3 trade it was. $69 it was, sorry, 69. Our buying price is 80, 83, 82.83.0, near 83. It's a call to 26,100 call. थर्टी पॉइंट स्टॉप लॉस यूज़ करके हम 90 पॉइंट्स स्टॉप लॉस के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. वाई आई केप्ट हियर टारगेट बिकॉज दिस वाज द हाई, स्विंग हाई यही है. Yeah, 15 minutes candle. We may see some more bullishness. Yeah, भाई होना ही चाहिए भाई. Come on, it made a low of 85. $85.75. The low not getting broken in the price, but the price is breaking here in a shorter time frame. Let's say 15 minutes. Shit. 82.3. बट वेरी, अरे यार तो लगाया था 82.8. Yes, stop loss is 59 same, but the target is till here 78 80 points above that. Let's see. यूरोपियन मार्केट्स ओपन होने का टाइम हो गया. I'm exiting this trade at 70, 78 something, because after 2 p.m. we'll see. थोड़ा ही स्टॉप लॉस है. लेट्स, चले मान लो यहाँ हो गया 187, 82, 82, 72. ओके, कंसिडर 73. 10 पॉइंट्स स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ है बिकॉज मार्केट यहीं से ड्रैग हो रहा है. विल सी हियर ओनली, विल ट्रेड आफ्टर इट कम्स स्टिल हियर. 26,000 कॉल को शिफ्ट हो जाना है बिकॉज दिस स्टॉप लॉस में ड्रैग अस डाउन. दैट्स द रीजन. सी, एक कैंडल क्लोज होने तक रुकना ही चाहिए. एक कैंडल got exited with 7 points of stop loss almost. With 7 points loss exit हो गए हैं. Actually our stop loss of 59, but I am not, see 69 got triggered because the selling हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Can see selling हो रहा है. We'll see यहाँ से कैंडल, क्योंकि डिमांड जोन ये है, यहाँ ये डिमांड जोन was here. This is the demand zone. Demand zone यही है. Let's wait till the market comes to our levels. No FOMO, no FOMO. Hidden divergence है, but let's wait for the levels. wait for the levels, let the market come near demand zone, because yesterday in the video I have told regarding that अगर 180 ब्रेक हुआ तो 26,000 आना ही चाहिए, 40 to 50 पॉइंट बफर रखना ही चाहिए, मोस्टली 30 पॉइंट्स, 40 to 50 भी नहीं बट 30 पॉइंट्स. Excuse. लेट्स सी 26,100 डिमांड जोन है. 26,000 अगर आज ही ब्रेक हुआ 26,100, if it is got broken 26,100, then we may see till 26,000 is the ultimate demand zone for Nifty, because and also what is the price range here, how much it has got retraced. It's like 170 points. It got retraced 170 points. So we may see a pullback from here. Yes, we may see a pullback from here at this zone itself, because it's more than 0.75%. 0.75618 was the golden ratio. So from here, that's the reason Fibonacci retracement they'll call. So that's the reason it got retrace from, it got demand zone from here. That's the reason the candles formed wicks. It's a 3-minute time frame. Let's wait for the level 26,100. 26,100 ये डिमांड जोन 26, ये डिमांड जोन को आना ही चाहिए मार्केट को. विल बाय हियर, विल बाय एट दिस डिमांड जोन, विल बाय नियर डिमांड जोन इटसेल्फ. नो फोमो. why I have mentioned here hidden bullish divergence. Search for hidden bullish divergence in Google, you will get to know. See, the price was, see, you can see here, bro, what the hell it is gone. Just give me a minute. You can see here the price was going down, making lower low, but the RSI is making higher high. So here the same way, the RSI is making higher high. See, the RSI is making higher high, but the price was making low. So this is called hidden bullish divergence. This was made a low of 64.9. We can wait for some more down movement. See, that's the reason I'm saying 26,100 आना ही चाहिए. If it closed below this level 26,100, let's wait for 26,118, 119 level. This was the demand zone. You can place orders. 26,100 call का orders place कर सकता है. Before getting here we got retracement. Let's see for the candle to close, because this is a lower time frame na. So let's open for 50. Yes, this is the reason I'm saying. Chalo, it got triggered 26,1919. It should get 119 आना चाहिए. 119. Try to learn the patterns. हाँ, पैटर्न देखते ही पता चलना है कि हाँ ओके भाई ये यही है. वाई सब लोग इतना मूविंग एवरेजेस सब 9 EMA 26 EMA 20 EMA 50 EMA वो सब नहीं. ओनली यूज वन मूविंग एवरेज that is ALMA moving average, and set the length, set the window size to 81, because on default it will come with 9. ये यहाँ पे 9 आता है. On default it will come with 9. So make it 81, then click OK. RSI, I use only two indicators: relative strength to see the strength of the market, and moving average ALMA. $119. Let's wait for 119. No FOMO. 116 पे अलर्ट लगा देंगे. यहाँ पे तो पुट बाई कर सकते, मार्केट गिरेगा. नो, बिकॉज ये डिमांड जोन है. यहाँ पे 40-50 पॉइंट बफर पॉइंट्स लगाना चाहिए. डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन. पुट बाई करके उसमें ट्रैप होना. वाई? बिकॉज मार्केट इज स्टिल इन अ बुलिश ट्रेंड. वाई टू वरी? it is coming for some liquidity, that's it. Market is not getting crashed or anything. It is coming for some liquidity near demand zone. यहाँ से फिर थोड़ा एनर्जी ले लेगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा. That's the point of liquidity. ये स्मार्ट मनी कॉन्सेप्ट्स ICT बोलता है ना, ICT ट्रेडिंग. yeah. $0.618 was this level. 0.61% retrace यहाँ से रिटर्न हो रहा है. Let's wait for the candle to close. We can execute a buy order here. Let's wait for the candle to close. और 3 मिनट बाकी है भाई, 3 मिनट. Let's wait for 3 minutes. I'm executing a buy order here. Keeping stop loss below this bearish candle low. So yes, at 74 we bought one trade. Let's see. एक मिनट बाकी है. We'll see once some scalp. The big trade will be this zone. At this zone itself we'll make one big trade. This is only for scalping. Let's see. If it is going for a big movement, we can make good money. We'll get entering before the movement itself. come on. ये से रिटर्न होना ही है because after getting retracement from here from the AL moving average, the price has retraced 0.61%. 0.61% retrace हुआ because in the Fibonacci retracement the 0.61 will be a golden ratio, they'll call it as golden ratio. $12.30. Chalo, let's see. The low has broken here in the RSI, but we should wait for the candle confirmation. We can't take based on this RSI. Let's wait for the candle to close. Yeah, it has broken. Here it has broken. Make sure everyone read the disclaimer that I have mentioned. Not a SEBI registered analyst. So, चलो moment आना है भाई. Let's wait for some moment. 26,150 or 26,119. once it was support, it became resistance. Now here this was a supply zone and this will be a demand zone. So from here it will see some retracement again. This is the pattern I am expecting. Let's see. This was completely a demand. Still we have 10 minutes to close this candle, so we'll wait. Initially since 11:15 this was the demand zone for this strike price, so let's wait. We may see some hero zero call today. Let's wait for the call. as this is the demand zone, this is the smaller demand zone, and this will be the major demand zone. So we may see some bounce back from here. A strong bounce back will be from here. So initially from here it got retraced. From after that, some actors reaching at this level, it got again retraced to here. So it from 11:15 it is consolidating in this tight zone. We may see if it is getting a breakdown from these levels, then we may see 26,116. If after getting this level, we may see again 26,200 levels today. Let's see. If you want to trade this setup in Nifty, then I suggest you should buy next week expiry option, because the premium will get decayed even if it reaches 26,200 today. Yeah, there will be no somewhat profit will be there, but not that much. But it is a safe side. So you better go with 26,200 or call, or any 26,100 call, but only for the next week expiry, next week options. That will be a safer thing. So if we see for the next week, we may see here 13th Jan. What was the price? 186. So we may see some 150 levels today itself. 145, let's keep the stop loss here. Let's see, 26 160, right? We can go for 26 150 put. Let's see if it's closing. 5 minutes. Yeah, if it is closing above this blue line, $20, $30 looking good. Let's see, it is above 60. Yeah, it may go higher, near 42. Done. Let's see, with just 9 points of stop loss, we can get 20 to 25 points. It's a big trade for us. 0 it will be. The ratio will be 2.5, 1:2.5. Let's check for the Y profile first of all. 26 150, 2.4 are call sellers, and the put sellers are 3.98. Oh my god! And the 26 200 call sellers are 5.59. So guys, there will be no possibility of reaching a 5.5 CR. Maybe we can see 26 100. Yes, well, let's wait. This is a small stop loss. If we got it today, then we'll close our trades. Even if the PCR is 0.81. So after reaching at some point here, maybe after reaching 22. There is an increase of 341%. No. Let's wait for 26,000 call itself. It's best. 26,000 call. The major resistance is 26,200. If market breaks above 26,200, then we may see some short covering. Even if it is broken 150, then the put will get exploded. The major demand zone is near 26 100, 2650 to 26 100 call. So let's wait for some movement and then we'll see. The PCR is 0.81 as of now. तंगड़ा मार्केट है यार. Even after that one bullish candle, a big bearish candle was formed. That's the reason I've marked this zone. Even before seeing the OA data itself, I've marked this zone as supply zone. That's the reason it got sell off from there. But still the demand zone is intact because not even a single candle is closing below this demand zone. Don't buy randomly, because if you treat this trading as a business, then you may see this as an opportunity. And also a businessman, he waits for the right price, because if he wants to trade, then he wait for the right price and he wait for the right seller. So that's the reason he wait for the particular demand phase, at what time the demand is, at what zones the demand is there, and at what time the supply is there, at what zones, at what supply, at what quantity the market is supplying, and what level of quantity at a demand zone, how much the quantity there is demanding. So make sure you follow these simple rules. Simple. That's the reason it is called a stock market. Market, the word itself will say stock market. So you better learn something from this. So don't चलो हम आ गए खत्म, ट्रेड करना है, कैपिटल उड़ा दे, ऐसा नहीं. Trade responsibly, because if you treat this as a business, then you will survive definitely. End of the day, surviving in the business is important. Here it is surviving. guys, do subscribe for more short covering above 26,200 only. Wait for a 15 minutes candle to close above 26,200. Then for the next candle we'll get some confirmation, then we may take an entry. Entry ले सकता है about 26,200. So keep your 26,100 call watch list में रख लो. No trade now. Trade लेना ही नहीं. Let the market come to these levels or it may get reacted at these levels. Levels को आने दो. Let's wait for the levels. That's it. यहाँ पे आएगा तो 200 put. यहाँ पे आएगा तो 100 call. That's it. Keep your stop loss. Simple strategy है कि supply demand zone कुछ observe करना है, supply demand zone mark करना है. Wait for the candle confirmation. That is the execution is the best part. $5.19, 5.87 CR है, 5.17 OH है, 734%. So 26,150 call sellers बढ़ गया. So we may see 26,100 below today. If it goes, Nifty goes below 26,100, we may see 100 levels in this strike. PCR 0.85 था, फिर 0.81 को आ गया, फिर 0.7 होना है. मैक्स पेन दे रहे नहीं. 26,200, 150 because since it is consolidating in one zone. Guys, come on, hero zero तो होगा आज. Let's see. 26,100 will be hero zero for us today. So 26,100 call तो watch list में ऐड करके रख लो. This zone is a complete no trading zone. So 26,190 to 26,150. These 40 points, ये 40 points के बीच में फंसना नहीं. ठीक है, बी केयरफुल. नो कॉल्स बाइंग, नो पुट्स बाइंग. ओके, सेलर्स को बेनिफिट होगा अगर मार्केट यही रेंज में अगर कंसोलिडेट हो रहा है तो सेलर्स को बेनिफिट होगा, नॉट बायर्स. only buyers will get benefit. Either market reaches downside, then it will bounce back from here because of the demand zone. If it is broken above this level, then we may see some short covering. It's a moving average, guys. See the line AL moving average. We should change the length to 81. We should change. By default, it will come with 9 points. so we should change the length to 81. From after that, if any candle for entry, confirmation entry, for confirmation we should see that a bullish candle should close above this level. For the setup confirmation, I'm saying the RSI should be above 50. Even if it is 56, then it is more bullish. 55, 56, above 60, then it is consider it as more bullishness. But after that, if any candle for entry, keep your stop loss below this candle and take entry above this candle. If only a candle should close, the next candle should close above this candle's high. ये कैंडल के ऊपर, ये जो कैंडल है ना, ये मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर क्लोज हुआ है, तो ये कैंडल के ऊपर क्लोज करना है. From here, for suppose we bought here at this level, okay, यहाँ पे हम बाई कर लिया है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम बाई कर लिया है, but the stop loss didn't got triggered because we got a confirmation with big bullish candle, and also the next candle has been closed above this candle, above the previous candle. So suppose we bought here at this level 224. From 224 we took almost one. Based on the stop loss we can keep our targets, whether it is 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, it depends upon your risk. So your target is getting move higher and higher, then you may trail your stop loss so that your risk get reduced. This is how the risk management works. This is how you will survive. Here again we got confirmation. See, the second confirmation is here. See, if any candle, if this candle was closed above this level, so we let's think that we will buy here, okay. No, the stop loss will be 97. So कंडीशन क्या है, ये कैंडल क्लोजिंग के ऊपर और एक कैंडल क्लोज करना है, ठीक है ना. यहाँ पे क्लोज हुआ है कैंडल 108, बट ऑलमोस्ट 18 पॉइंट्स का स्टॉप लॉस था, बट इट गॉट रिट्रेस्ड. even if you can buy for while it is getting retraced. So यहाँ पे retrace होते ही market ऊपर गया. Almost it never hit the stop loss of us. It never hit. It almost went high, like almost for 242. You will get trades in this moving, using this moving average. Trades मिलेगा ज़रूर ये moving averages से, but लेस ट्रेड्स मिलेगा, बट एक्यूरेसी 80 to 85% है. आप चेक्ड विद द बैक टेस्टिंग इन ट्रेडिंग व्यू यूजिंग पाइन स्क्रिप्ट कोडिंग पूरा एआई को कुछ प्रॉम्प्ट दे के एक पाइन स्क्रिप्ट डाल के चेक कर लिया है. 1.68 इज द प्रॉफिट फैक्टर. यू कैन चेक विद द गूगल. इफ यू आर गेटिंग अ 1.68 प्रॉफिट फैक्टर, देन द इंडिकेटर इज completely good, but the disadvantage is you will get only less trades. Yearly, if you try this for scalping, it is good. For positional trades, for specific stock, let's see some stocks. So what is the stock that is trending? Let's see Deepak Fertilizers. Okay, Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals. So in stock we should go for higher time frames. Let's say 125. No confirmation till here. See, we got confirmation here. One confirmation. A candle was closed above this level, and also a candle was formed higher. After getting retracement, we got a trade. See, for अगर लेना ही है, ट्रेड लेना ही है, तो रिट्रेसमेंट के लिए भी वेट कर सकता है, और एल्स यू कैन बाय अबव दैट कैंडल हाई. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अच्छा सेफ बाई करना है तो रिट्रेसमेंट के बाद ही कर सकते हैं. 157. The stop loss will be same as usual. It is getting consolidated near this zone. I am expecting that 26116 आएगा ज़रूर. 26116 आना ही है, डिमांड जोन तक आना ही है. इट विल गेट. थोड़ा पुल बैक चल रहा है और कुछ भी नहीं है. थोड़ा थोड़ा पुल बैक चल रहा है. इट इज़ जस्ट अ पुल बैक गाइस, डोंट गेट ट्रैप. It is struggling. The premium was struggling. The RSI premium of RSI is struggling to close above this 50. So that's the reason it got again sell off. So यहाँ पे आ गया, फिर यहाँ से रिटर्न हो गया. Confirmation, strong confirmation, double confirmation कब होगा? If the RSI is above 58 levels, trading above 58 levels, then we'll get some confirmation. That will be a strong buy indication. So as usual, I said 26, 126 was the low that has been made as of now. So keeping buffer points like 20 points, we may I'm going to buy a call here. Let's see for some small scalping only, that's it. Or else 215. Let's wait for one more candle, because after 230 the FS may get some we get some triggering through FS. So let's wait for the FS. That was the time. What's the OA data saying? See, the OA data is simple. Whichever the strike price having more call sellers, then that strike price will be resistance, and whichever the put has having more OI. See here, 26,100 4.37 CR, 26,100 has more CI, so 26,100 will act as support for this expiry, and 26,200 has more OI, 5.06 CR, so this will act as resistance. So in between, if the market is consolidating in between 26,100, so that's the reason here the market is consolidating from 26,100 to 200 to 26,100, then it got bounced back. So if it is broken, then the put covering as usual, short covering, sorry, short covering will come in puts, or else if it is broken above 26,200, then in calls we may get short covering, that will trigger as short covering in calls or puts, whether the zone which is broken 26,200 above, short covering will come. 26,100 below, short covering will come in puts. Almost 0.5% was down market today. So this is a good correction, healthy correction, they'll say healthy correction, because uh, we may see a bounce back again tomorrow. I'm expecting 26,300 in this week itself, because even after some Trump news and other war news, other some negative geopolitical news also, the market, the Nifty almost retraced like only 200 points. So that is like 1%, not even 1%. So it is a healthy correction. In further sessions, after a weekly candle closing, we may get to know what Nifty and where the Nifty is heading. As usual, I said when the on Friday on I made a video that the market has got hit there, but there is a correction has left. So after correction, we may see 26,500 levels. So previously I have mentioned here 20 above 26,300, above 26,300 Nifty will blast till 26,500 levels, but it not even it not sustained really. This was the trap zone. See, this was the trap zone here. It was completely trapped the buyers at this point. Then the week it came for some liquidity here. So we may see some correction only till 26,050 to 26,100 levels, and after that we may see a good rally towards 26,500. So before Jan 18 itself, we may see 26,500 before Jan 18th. But don't trade based on my point of view. That is my point of view. I'll risk according to my views. It was 5.06 CR. Here also the 4.62. We may see some Nifty may retest 26,200 or else at 26 160 170 levels. 26 100, 26 100. So we'll take one more. The ratio, then let me see. Okay, done. Not 70, it won't go till 70 because previously, let me tell you the reason behind this. See, previously this was the support, this zone was the support 62. So that's the reason I got I kept the target as 60 above. So previously it got support from 60 level, above 60 levels, then it got bounced back from 60 levels itself. But today it was little bit consolidated near, but it end of the day it's broken. So now it will come for a retracement. 127, come on guys, more 10 points. Chalo. It's getting bounced. It's getting bounced from exactly these levels. This I told previously. I've told this is the pattern. This is the pattern. See, it got a demand zone from the 26 120 levels. From here, it got 26 100, 26 100, 62 तक आएगा. 62. Keep holding. So you have to exactly, there is no need of guessing. If you know the exactly support and resistance zones, then you will know the where the market will get retraced, you will know where the market will get rejected. This won't come in a day or in a month. This will come with your experience, with your learning skills and everything. I'm not even a professional trader, but still I'm still learning. I'm still learning because sometimes I still got hit by stop loss, because today we got hit by stop loss almost like 15 points. within two trades. So guys, come on, this should hit our targets above 60 levels, above 60 levels. So this is the major zone here, the resistance and supply zone. We may mark here, this is the supply zone. So we may see some pullback above 60, this will blast. Above 60 we may see till 81. So hold your stop loss. We'll see, this is also not that much of big stop loss, but still I'm expecting a bounce here. I'm expecting a bounce here. Come on, let's see if it gives us a hero zero, because after 230 the FIS will come. Please do subscribe. Come on, we're gonna hit the target. This is like almost there are still 2 minutes left. We may see some retracement here. It got at lower time frame we can see 26 150 should come. 26 more 10 points. We can exit this trade. At 26 154 I'm gonna exit this trade based up, or else I'll move my stop loss here. 26 154 154 156. Let's see. Wait for the hero zero call. If this video has helped anyone, please do like. Make sure you subscribe. सब्सक्राइब तो कर लो गाइस. The RSI is above 54. It's trading above 54, and the price is trading above the moving average and in 1 minute time frame. So with only 17, yeah, 16 to 17 point stop loss, at least we should get a 20 points for break even, because the previous trade was got hit by stop loss. Let's see, 55, 55, 56 above, more bullishness. 150 के ऊपर जा रहा ही नहीं है. चलो, ये तो दोजी फॉर्म हुआ है. येलो ब्रेक हुआ तो इफ इट it broken below moving average and came for retracement. So even the I think we need to exit this trade. Yeah, we'll plan near 26,000 levels. I'm going to exit with 5 points. Two 30, right? 245. It's near. It's coming near 245. Maybe the market will be more volatile. It came for 41.65. Then again, oh, oh. We took exit near 45. We are at we did we actually in profit today, but still fine. It got bounced back from the exact this demand zone. I was waiting for 116 levels. Yeah, above 56 more bullishness, and this is the major demand zone, supply zone. So the demand zone was near 38 to 40 levels. Chalo. Let's see. One more push is pending. At 1 minute time frame, we can see 5 minutes. Chalo. Yeah, the 5 minutes candle was completely a bullish candle. It got liquidity here, but the thing is, it is not triggering. It is not going above 156 because the premium is getting decay. It's better we should stay aside. No need of any trade. Because it has broken this first it has broken this level, then it got consolidated in this zone, then it broken this level, then it is now consolidating. So maybe it will end in this zone today, but tomorrow it will bounce back very strongly. I'm expecting a 26,400 levels before 16th before the next expiry. Let me show the exact way how it see at 9:15 from here it got the bounce back the same zone. After that it got broken this zone, it broken this zone. After that, because previously this was support, so the here it become resistance. So once a support will always become resistance. From there, it again came back for the same demand zone, the smaller one. Then it got consolidated. From there, I was expecting 26,116 levels. Then again it went. So here, why this zone is major? Because previously, before hitting all-time high on 2nd Jan, the market bounced back from here, this level itself. So that's the reason. Major, it was consolidated, and also it is like what you say, majorly tested here. So here before hitting before it started a rally from here, the whenever it got retraced, it took support from here, it got consolidated and it took a major rally from here itself. So that's the reason you should know at what points the market is bouncing back, so that this is an easy task. Just note the points. So that's the reason today 116 acted as support. 116 acted as support. See, it is getting bounced back from this zone itself again. Exactly, we can't exactly predict the number, but we can predict that zone. So this was the zone majorly. So let's see. I was saying that above 56 this call will be bullish, but it doesn't broken above 56. So let's see. After 245 we may see some rally in this. Yes, it's 245. It's trying to break above 56. It made a high of 58, but still let's see. Yeah, this was the zone. See here also previously it got support from this zone itself. That's why I have marked 56 zone as supply zone. If the price gets to supply zone, the price will fall. If the price gets to demand zone, the price will rise. This is the basic thing. And also one more basic thing was, once a support will always become resistance. Once a resistance will always become support. But that support and resistance should break with good volume. Then only we should consider that zone as support or resistance. Chalo, I'm going to close the trade. So I'm going to drop the video about the tomorrow analysis and where the market will head, and where the what Trump has announced. I'm going to check the news. Let's see.